guys, welcome to Shine Beauty and Beyond. Today I'm going to be talking about some new launches and I have a variety of them. I have makeup, skincare, setting spray, and these products are viral products not only in India but also in foreign countries. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to start with our Desi product, which is this Dot & Key Strawberry Bright 10% Niacinamide Face Serum. Dot & Key already had a niacinamide serum, and if you have watched this video, you know that I am a fan of that, and that is why I picked this one up. Another reason is it looked so cute, and I think this is the first serum which has a pink color. So it seemed very different and I wanted to try it, and so I did. I have been using it for I think a week. This feels like any other serum. It does not feel oily or sticky. It feels just like the niacinamide serum that Dot & Key has. But due to its color, if you do not blend it properly, you get this pink leftovers which looks weird. As you saw, this is just like any other serum, but I did not like the pink leftovers that it has because of the color. They wanted the color to be something unique, something different, but that just backfired. But apart from that, this is a good serum. It did not aggravate my acne or anything, and 10% niacinamide, it means that it will help with your acne. It will help in calming down your skin, with your pigmentation and all of that. I need to use it more to know better, but one thing I noticed that this is not as great or as fast in acting up as the niacinamide serum that Dot & Key has. I had acne and I was using this and I noticed कि इतना जल्दी वो काम नहीं कर पा रहा था, तो फिर मैंने उस niacinamide serum में switch back किया, and I think I would prefer that instead of this. I'll leave the link of that one also in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Now, next product, I know you all have been waiting for the review of this one. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Tinted Serum Foundation with 1% hyaluronic acid, and the shade that I am in is 2 to 3 light. Now, choosing a shade of this foundation is a task because उतना अच्छे से वहाँ पे कोई भी वेबसाइट पे ठीक से दिया हुआ नहीं है. बट मैंने अपना स्किन टोन सोचा एंड मैंने अपना अंडरटोन सोचा एंड उस हिसाब से मैंने ये वाला पिक किया. सो आई एम फेयर टू मीडियम, मोस्टली ऑन द मीडियम साइड, एंड आई हैव वार्म अंडरटोन, सो आई फेल्ट दैट दिस वन वुड बी द राइट वन. एनीवेज, आई डिड फील दैट सीरम फॉर्मूला फाउंडेशन के लिए द प्राइस ऑफ दिस वाज क्वाइट हाई बिकॉज देयर आर अदर सीरम फाउंडेशंस आउट देयर जिसके प्राइसेस उतना नहीं है. इवन द Maybelline one does not cost that much, but let's try it out and then we'll talk about it. Guys, don't get confused. This is just my moisturizer. I don't have anything on, and yes, I am that oily. Let's try this out. This is my first impression. Let's just shake it up a little bit. This is definitely very flowy and liquidy. Now, everyone on the internet is using their hands to blend it out. I have never used my hands to blend out foundation. I've always used a beauty blender, but let's try this out. I was a little concerned about the shade match, but I think this is gonna match me. You see how this shade is beautifully blended into my skin, but as I told you, I have never used my fingers because I feel that the fingers has this curves and everything, and those show up on your makeup, and that is what is happening right now. So I will move on and blend it out with a blender. I think with fingers it gave more coverage, so the blemishes, the redness that I had is now not visible, but if I use a blender, I think it will again pop out. Let's see. As you can see, now it looks a lot smoother, but my blemishes have popped out as I have anticipated. Just like any other serum product with a dropper, this can get really messy. I think you can see the coverage difference when I blend it with a blender and when I blend it with my fingers. There is a huge difference. This side gets more coverage. Let's try blending with a brush. The comparison is visible. This side is lighter and this has a little more coverage. So with brush you get a little more coverage, and I am surprised to see that there are no brush strokes. So that is a good thing to know, that I can use my brush, get a better coverage, and there will be no brush strokes. So I prefer blending it with a brush. This definitely does not have a matte finish. It is more like a serum like dewy finish. I'm applying a second layer to see if it covers the blemishes. Second layer definitely gives a better coverage, but in the second layer I do have brush strokes, so I have to go in with the beauty blender. So this is my face after 2 layers of this foundation, and what do you think? Let me know in the comments. I don't know if you can see, but because this is so liquidy, it has set into my lines under the eyes and also above the eyes. But more or less you can make it look matte with a setting powder. As you saw, I had a good experience with this one. This feels very lightweight on the skin. I don't feel I have it on. And अगर आप इसका एक layer apply करोगे, then it feels even more lighter. It's gonna be a good foundation for people with dry skin, but even people with oily skin, if you can set it with a setting powder, this is gonna be great for the summers. But if you have oily skin, remember that when your oil pops up after some time, it might look like this. Like you can see the shine here and here because it is very, very dewy, so you will see the shine. Another new launch is this hydration range from Love Beauty and Planet, which is a brand I really love, just like Dot & Key. I have used so many products from this one and I have always recommended this brand. So when this launched, I knew I had to buy it. So this particular range is for people with dry and damaged hair. It is supposed to hydrate the dry hair, and I am one of those people. My hair is very, very dry, so I wanted to try this out. But one thing I noticed is that they do not have a conditioner in this range. They have this, they have a hair serum, I think, and they have a hair mask, but not a hair conditioner. I think with every range, there should be a shampoo and conditioner. Otherwise, you would not understand if they are working properly. So because this one did not have any conditioner, I used another conditioner that I have from Love Beauty and Planet. I really had high hopes from this one. This is not bad. It does make your hair silky, but I still prefer this shampoo over this one because this is my complete favorite shampoo for dry and damaged hair. It makes the hair really soft and really silky. It also controls the frizz. You can try this out. It's not bad, but I feel like अगर conditioner होता तो शायद मैं better समझ पाती कि ये work कर रहा है कि नहीं. The next product is this new launch from Makeup Revolution. This is called Air Blur Soft Matte Liquid Lip. ये जब से launch हुआ था मैं तब से इसको try करना चाह रही थी because the concept of this was so beautiful. If you see the picture here, you can see that you can wear this in 3 ways. So one, you can use it as a lip tint. Second, you can just apply it and blur out the edges so that it looks soft. And then third, you can of course wear it like mine, like a bold lipstick. You can wear this really soft and blurred like this, or you can apply more layers and make it bold. The formula, even though when you take it out, it looks like it has a liquid tint kind of a formula, but when you apply, it has a moussey formula and it feels so comfortable on the lips. Like, I cannot tell you how hydrating my lips feel right now. It doesn't even feel that I have a lipstick on. It feels I have a lip balm on. And this particular shade, Black Cherry, जब से मैंने इनका shade range देखा, ये Black Cherry मुझे लेना था. This is definitely not transfer proof, but it transfers very little. Just look at this. Like it's barely there. See? Not a lot of it transfers and you can reapply it without any problem. I would highly recommend you to try this lipstick out. You're not going to regret it. अगर आप normally इसको कोई cloth से remove करोगे तो थोड़ा सा ये tint रह जाता है, लेकिन अगर आप micellar water से remove करोगे तो वो tint चला जाएगा. Another international product which has been going viral and everybody is talking about it. This is Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Spray, and the selling point of this spray is that it has a powder and it has a spray. So what it does is that when you set your makeup with this powder, it makes it look very, very matte and it blurs out your pores and all of that. So I was like, yes, give it to me. I want that for myself. You can see how oily my face gets even when I am under AC. When I step out, just imagine how my makeup gets. But let's watch the video and then we will move on to the review. They say that the spray and the powder separates if it is kept still for a long period of time. So you need to shake it pretty well before using it. I will use it on one side of my face and then I will compare it with the other side. I really like the system of the packaging, that is pretty new. It does not have any fragrance, but it still has like a little bit of scent, which is similar to any Dot & Key serums I have used, because they also don't have any fragrance, but that smell is there. It's not very overpowering and it goes away in some time. My face looks wet. The spray was really fine and the spray was good. I would spray it a little bit more on my eyes because I want to see if it can set my eyeshadow as well. I am not really sure whether this worked or not, because when I see it from the side and when I see it in the mirror, I feel like it worked. But then I looked into the camera and you can see the shine. Like this shine and this shine is still visible. It should have mattified the face completely because that is what they have claimed. And on my forehead also you can see the shine, right? And I think this crease part of my eyeshadow is now destroyed because I applied this spray and it was liquid at first, so that is why it got messed up a little. Now let's do the transfer test. Now this is a good sign. Nothing got transferred on the tissue paper. Let's do the test on the eyeshadow. Wow, even the eyeshadow did not get transferred and I had shimmers and everything on here. Just for the sake of it, let's do it again. Even though I pressed it, you saw that I pressed it, right? Nothing came off. This is completely blank. And the eyeshadow and the makeup is still intact even after pressing with this tissue paper. Did you see what it did? Thank God I did not buy the bigger one, because this is a good setting spray, but this is not what it claims. It is not gonna blur out your pore and it is not gonna make your face look matte. It is not gonna control your sweat or oil, nothing. It is just a normal setting spray, but a very good setting spray, because you saw that the makeup does not transfer at all. Even the eye makeup, the shimmers, nothing. As a setting spray, you can buy it if you're looking for a setting spray, but ज़्यादा expectation मत रखना. That's it for today's video. सारे products के link मैं description box में दे दूंगी and मैंने जो product suggest किए उसके links भी description box में दे दूंगी. Don't forget to check it out. I'll see you next week with another video. Take care. Till then, tata.